Good morning, this Friday, the 28th of April. I'm Sophia Mavridis, a market analyst with Bell Direct. Well, in New York overnight, markets had a strong run, with all three major benchmarks closing with strong gains. The Dow Jones and the S&P 500 both had their best sessions since January, closing 1.6% and 1.96% higher respectively. Meanwhile, the Nasdaq rallied 2.43% higher as strong results from Meta platforms boosted tech-related companies. Meta shares leapt 14% after the company reported quarterly revenue that topped expectations and issued a positive forecast. European markets were also in the green as strong corporate earnings overcame the concerns around the US banking sector. As for what to watch today, the Australian market is set to jump 0.75% at the open this morning, following Wall Street's advance. In commodities, oil is trading higher after losing nearly 6% in the past two sessions, as recession fears and renewed concerns about the banking sector outweighed falling US inventories and the prospect of weaker global supplies. The US oil benchmark also gave up all the gains from earlier this month when OPEC announced a surprise production cut. Now, gold is at its lowest level in over 3 weeks, with a rebound in risk sentiment and expectations of tighter monetary policy from the Fed. And iron ore prices fell under $110 per ton, the lowest since December, as a demand downturn from steelmakers risked the oversupply of iron ore. Now, quarterly reports from the following companies are set to be released today, so keep watch of the share price movements of these stocks. These include Coles, COL, IGO, Mirvac Group, MGR, Origin Energy, that's ORG, Oz Minerals, OZL, ResMed, RMD, and Volpara Health Technologies, VHT. And to end on some trading ideas for your consideration this Friday, Bell Potter have a speculative buy rating on PointsBet Holdings, PBH, after a recent media report suggested the company could be considering a potential sale of its US business for around $500 million. Bell Potter says the value looks reasonable or even conservative if other media reports are accurate. The company has also considered the potential sale of its Australian business for around 250 million Australian dollars. Now, Bell Potter have increased their valuation from $2.75 to $3, and at the stock's current share price of $1.65, this implies 81.8% share price growth in a year. And Trading Central have identified a bearish signal in Austal ASB, indicating that the stock price may fall from the close of $1.65 to the range of $1.46 to $1.50 over 18 days, according to the standard principles of technical analysis. And that's all for this morning. I'm Sophia Mavridis with Bell Direct. Have a great day and happy trading.